everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Karen. I am a certified makeup artist and I am going to be reviewing the Riviera palette today. Now I did some swatches yesterday and I was doing my video, and when I got to shade Seaside, it started to crumble. See that pretty silvery shade? And I was really sad. Like, it literally, like, a lot of it just started to crumble. Now, we're going to try out these shades and we're going to see if they blend the way that everybody says they do. They supposedly blend like butter. And I'm going to start out by using the brush that they have given me, and then we might work our way into some other brushes. So let's see, what kind of look can we create? I don't know. We're going to figure this out. It is early morning. I have not had coffee yet. That's why I'm not very hyper at all. But I was really excited to play with this. So I think I'm going to go in for a transition shade. Let's use one of the mattes. All of the bottoms are mattes. All of the tops are pretty much shimmers except for this one over here. That's more like highlighting your underbrow. And I think I'm going to go in with Monte Carlo. Ooh, okay. I'm already predicting there's probably going to be a lot of fallout. Let's see, shall we? Okay, they're definitely pigmented. I just started using the MAC paint pot since you all have talked about it so much. And I didn't realize there were different colors with it as well, so I picked one of the colors and I've been using it, and I'm trying to figure out if I like it better than I like the concealer. I think it does do pretty well. So far, anyway. There's a little bit of shimmer to it. Okay, this is Monte Carlo. It seems to be going on pretty nicely. I'm using the blending side of the brush that Anastasia gives you with this palette. This is what we've got so far. We're going to try and build that color up a little bit. And I'm going to put it above the crease, in the crease. And we'll see how much dimension I can get out of this. This is a very pretty spring palette. I'm pretty excited about it. I was super excited to get it yesterday. I will say that. Let me see if I can zoom in. I have no other makeup on. I just have the MAC paint pot, and then I have some skincare on, but that's pretty much it. Yeah, there's a lot of fallout in the pan. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there definitely is. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with another color. What shall I do? How about we do a little bit of purple? It's called Cannes, C-A-N-N-E-S. Yeah, as soon as you dip into that, you can see where the color comes off. Kind of crumbles up a little bit, but it might make for easy blending. So I can't really complain if that's the case. Using both sides of the brush, I'm just blending, blending, blending. Trying to get some of that color in there. See what kind of look we can develop with this. Have you guys tried this palette yet? Try to place this purple in there. It's blending pretty well. I would like it to be a little bit more blendable on the outside. I think it's working. Let's see. It's getting there. You know, these brushes too may be making the difference. I'm probably going to have to switch to the other brushes that I use. Ooh. Here I am making a mess. Making a mess here. Yeah, I definitely might have to switch to the Jaclyn Hill brush collection that I normally use. Alright, so shaded that color in. I'm going to blend it. Blend it out. I hate the fact that I have hooded eyes, but you know, it happens. What are you gonna do? Let's see if we can get that color to build up just a little bit more. Go back in with the Monte Carlo, the first shade, and go over this where we put it the first time. God, it's so quiet in here. I love having the TV on, but I want you guys to be able to hear me. So far I've got Monte Carlo and canes, I don't know. I'm guessing it's cans, I don't know, in there. Let's see, what would I want to put on the inner corner? I'm definitely going to go with a different brush. I'm going to go with Jaclyn Hill's JH42, and I'm going to pack in one of these shimmery colors. I'm kind of torn by which one I want to do. Let's see. There's a pretty blue, a pretty pink. Let's go in. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's like a lot of fallout in the pan. Like, I cannot even believe this. Wow. Let's see what we can do here. This is a beautiful color. Seashells? Spelt a little bit differently, but seashells. Look at that. That's pretty amazing right there. Oh, I'm liking it. I think you can create a lot of different looks with this palette. With me looking at all of these colors, I can see a few things that I would be doing with it. Again, with the faces, you gotta love it. I'm loving this blue. Nice and pretty. Look how pretty that is. Now, what do I want to put on the other part of my lid there? Do I want to stick with the purple? Do I want to do something else with it? I don't know. I'm thinking that this part needs a little bit more purple, so I'm going to go back in with that and blend it out with that Anastasia brush. And now I'm thinking I'm going to take another matte shade. Let's go in with this Palm shade for the outer corner there. And I'm also going to go in with the Morphe M408. And pack that in the corner. I'm really liking these colors, I will say. I am so needing coffee today, though. I'm not awake yet. Not at all. I wonder how these are going to blend together. All right, now that I've packed that color in there, let's see how it blends. I'm going to take a Jaclyn Hill JH33 blending brush, and we're just going to blend the outer corner, outer lid. And we're going to see what we get with this. This is the only brush that I've had that I've washed a few times that's starting to look a little rough on Jaclyn Hill's palette, or not palette, her master brush collection. Looks like the shape is changing. However, it's still doing a pretty good job blending. So that may not make too much of a difference, I'm guessing. I really cannot talk today. There is some fallout underneath my eyes as well. But I have to say overall, this is pretty. I'm liking it, that's for sure. It's not bad, I am liking it. I think I'm gonna go on with some eyeliner off camera and I'll be back. Okay, I did some winged liner and now I'm going in with the Morphe palette with the highlight and the contour. I forget what it's called, something H, something, I don't know.
Forget the impact you had.
Let's highlight
on me,
the brow bone
in my life.
Oh, how pretty.
Wow, this is really fun. Yeah. I know what he would say. Shut up and pass the sweet cheese.
Glad you mention it.
All right. Now I am going to do the rest of my look, foundation and stuff, off camera, and I will be back. Hey guys, I am back and I went ahead and did a full face of foundation. I didn't put on any bronzer, but I did do a little bit of contouring and a little bit of blush and highlight. And I went ahead and took a pencil brush and used that pretty blue that I put on the inner corner of my lid and put it underneath my eyes. I did a winged liner. I also put the gel liner on my waterline, and as you can see, I'm liking this look. And I also put on my new Kiss lashes. Those are the ones that I bought because I gotten a pair in the Vox box that came out great, and I got my coffee, so I'm much more awake now. I put on that pretty necklace that I did buy at a very, very, very nice discount through Hugs and Kisses, Fifth Avenue, New York. Chick Nick, I think, is also kind of a partner company through it, but anyhow, I went ahead and put it on, and I like it because it's a 2-layer necklace. The first part is like a coin choker, and it doesn't move around like some necklaces do, and it has this really, really pretty dangling part to it. So I'm thinking that I like this look. I'm probably going to take some pictures today to go ahead and show off this necklace a little bit, and I really want your thoughts on the Riviera palette. The colors are nice and bright. I do like the MAC paint pot. I think that works just as well as concealer, if not better, so I'm going to have to stick with that, I'm guessing. I did use the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner in black. That is like my favorite. I haven't really used anything else since I bought that. And I tried the dry shampoo, not a big fan of it, so I don't know if I'll continue to use it or not, but I would like your thoughts on everything, so go ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching!